Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. We are back with a Bronco video again. Something super simple, but that may help you with something in the back of your Bronco here. And what that is right here, those three little holes are the vent. This is what Ford has come up with to bring heat to the back of the Bronco. Only thing is it's really flat and it's pointing straight out. So if you got sandals on, it'll heat up your toes, but that's about it. So what they make is this little guy, and basically this will clip together like this and point the vent where to go upward, and you can just clip it together, and then it's got this little grill kind of looking thing on the end so you don't get gunk going inside. And all you have to do, now obviously you want it pointed upwards, so the part with the little loops is the top and the part with the little bumps is the bottom. All you got to do is, now you can see there's two little triangle bumps on the top of this one and on the top of that one. So if you come down here and you look, all right, so now that I got a little bit of light under there, you can see you got two little notches here with a little line in the middle. So that is basically where those two bumps will go. So what you got to do is slide this underneath just like that. Now you can see it's pointed way up. We have the all-weather mats in the back. If you have these, you got to trim them. So get this kind of in place. You can see I made a little Sharpie mark there and there. Just take an X-Acto knife, trim off the bump, and then we can get this thing in place. All right, so now that you got that trimmed, you can fit this in just like that, and it'll sit flat now, or flattish, and it'll pop up. So you just get those two notches in the grooves. We'll grab the other half, and same thing, those two notches on the top, and you can see there's just a little tiny bit of foam there. That's just to stop rattling between the two pieces, because it's plastic on plastic. You don't want it jiggling around and rattling on you. So again, just line it all up, give it a push. All right, so it did take two hands just to line it up properly and get it on, but basically you get those two bumps in the grooves, and that stops it from your feet hitting it and being able to push it back inwards. And then because the vent in here comes out and flares out on each side, you also can't pull it off. You can wiggle it a bit, but it's not coming off. So then all you got to do now, get your little fake grill here, put it on just like this, give it a push. She clips on and you're all set. And if you're wondering how far these things stick out, the passenger side we already got done, and you can see this is forward as well because we got the baby seat in here, but you don't see it at all. But now when you're in here and the vent is blowing, it's going to come up, which will come up the back of the seat and it'll blow it towards you. So not only will it help with heat in the winter, but it'll help with air conditioning in the summer.